The inverter is a critical component of a solar power system that converts the DC power generated by the solar panels into AC power that can be used to power household loads or fed back into the grid. If the inverter is not functioning properly, it can significantly impact the performance and efficiency of the entire solar power system. Here are some signs that your inverter may need to be replaced. Low or no power output. If your solar power system is not generating as much power as it should, or if there is no power output at all, it could be a sign that the inverter is not functioning properly. Error messages or warning lights. Some inverters have built-in error messages or warning lights that indicate when there is a problem. If you see an error message or warning light, it could be a sign that the inverter needs to be replaced. Overheating. If the inverter is getting too hot, it may shut down automatically or reduce its power output. Overheating can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor ventilation or a malfunctioning cooling system. Unusual noises. If you hear unusual noises coming from the inverter, such as buzzing or humming, it could be a sign of a problem. This could be caused by a faulty fan or other internal component. Age. Inverters typically have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. If your inverter is approaching or exceeding this age, it may be time to consider replacing it. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to consult with experienced solar power professionals to diagnose the problem and determine whether the inverter needs to be replaced. In some cases, it may be possible to repair the inverter rather than replacing it, but in other cases, replacement may be the best option to ensure the continued performance and efficiency of your solar power system.